Welcome to the Artificial Professor, and in this video I will explain how to disconnect Facebook from Instagram. So for this, open your Facebook app. After it open, simply tap profile icon with the 3 lines, which is at the right top. Now scroll it down and tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Now tap on the option Settings. So from here, tap on this option Account Center. Now simply tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on the option Rehan Khan. Now again tap on the icon with your name and simply turn off this feature. And again, tap on Stop and go back. So as you see, now my Facebook account is disconnected with Instagram. So by this way, you can disconnect your Facebook account with your Instagram account. If this video was helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video of Artificial Professor.